today we will be doing part 2 to playing all the games. So this is going to be fun. If my memory is correct, we ended off on Falling Phantoms, which means today we're doing Overflow first. I'll go with easy round 1 because I finished all the other ones, so. Start water. Wow, I won. That was so challenging. So next is pill bugs. I am horrible at this game. Easy. The first round. Okay, none of the blue ones are in a spot that is easy. Okay, so this game doesn't make sense either. Okay, so when you hit the purple bugs, you get 100, and then with the blue bugs, you get 500 to 1,000. Shouldn't that means 5 purple ones should make a blue one? So that should go onto the score bar. It's just a theory, but Animal Jam doesn't know math, apparently. Simple addition. Wow, I did it. You're probably wondering, you got to level 36 a week ago or something, and I'm only on level 25 here. It's because this is like my spare, not a spare. Like, I use it a lot, but it was made very long after. It's so I could get a membership. Oh, I'm gonna die. I didn't hit a prairie dog. Crash. Replay. Ready. It just says ready. It doesn't say, like, set or go. Ugh, I didn't hit any of them. I might as well quit now, right? Here we go. Smoothie machine. Okay, strawberry is the rarest, so I think I'll pick that. Touch and... Okay, I didn't even get to read it. But I think I have the gist of it. Where are the strawberries? There's one. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I never play this game. Great job! Let's just eat this smoothie. Wait, do you guys see that tiny miniature smoothie? I sure did. Hot cocoa machine, the last game, and it's also kind of my least favorite. We'll pick this tall cup. Green, brown, I'll think blue. Even though jade is my favorite color, which is a shade of green, but still. I think I'll pick marshmallows because I don't like how the other one looks. And the cinnamon things, I don't even know what they're called. Press. Enjoy. So yeah. So I'm also going to be doing a giveaway soon. I'm not going to go into the details because I will in my next video. But it's going to be rare forest gauntlets. I'm not sure if it's these ones, the purple ones. But yeah, I'll go into how to enter that in the next video. So thanks for watching.